The AZ Healthy Food Adventure. One sunny morning, a four-apple woke up early in the fruit basket. He shouted, "Let's have a healthy food adventure today." Before Banana jumped in, saying, "I'll bring energy for the trip." C for Carrot twitched her leafy top. "Don't forget your vitamins." They met D for Dates, who packed natural sweetness for snacks. Then came E for Egg, rolling carefully so he wouldn't crack. At the green garden, F for Fig waved hello from the tree. G for Grapes giggled, "Let's all stick together like me." H for Honey buzzed softly, "I'll keep things sweet and pure." I for Iceberg lettuce said, "Crunchy greens are the cure." J for Jackfruit brought his tropical smile. K for Kiwi chimed, "Tangy, fun, healthy, and worthwhile." L for Lemon sprinkled zest in the air. M for Mango danced, golden sunshine everywhere. N for Nuts crackled with protein and delight. O for Oatmeal said, "A warm bowl keeps you bright." P for Papaya shared her orange cheer. Q for Quinoa whispered, "I'm tiny but full of power, my dear." R for Radish popped up from the soil below. S for Spinach waved her green leaves in a healthy glow. T for Tomato smiled wide, red, and full of heart. U for Ubi Purple Yam joined with a colorful start. V for Veggies lined up proudly in a row. W for Watermelon said, "Juicy love to help you grow." X for Xigua, a Chinese watermelon echoed, "Hydrate your way." Y for Yogurt replied, "Keeps your tummy happy all day." And finally, Z for Zucchini bowed with grace. So the alphabet friends danced and sang. Healthy foods keep smiles on every face. Eat fresh, eat bright, health is our game.